Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to walk you through how I have created a simple note-taking application using Claude Sonnet in a single prompt. So this is the application where you can add notes, delete notes, as well as you can log in. So there are two features. One is authentication. You can log in as a user, you can register and log in. And next is simply add notes, delete notes, and edit notes. It's a simple application. So I've created this application using a single Sonnet prompt. Okay, I'm going to show you that. So here is how it look like. So I have logged in as a user, and once you log in, you can add nodes here, you can delete nodes here. So you have login and register here. So if you have not registered, you should register as a user first, and once you register you can just log in. So I did create a user. So yeah, so once you log in, you can see whatever nodes you have already added here. Okay, so this is a very small and quick application. So let me just show you how I have done this. So this is the prompt. Yeah. So this is the prompt that I used to generate the code for this. So basically, it says that I am building a simple note-taking application. So below is my application requirements. So the application should be it's a simple note-taking application with all the CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. And it should have a user authentication. It should use Flask in the backend, as well as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the front end, and it should be responsive, and all necessary instructions for database and authentication needs to be given. So it has given me the folder structure like this. So what I did is I just opened VS Code. So this is the code base, which code base for our this Nodes app. So as you can see here, I have created, what I did is uh, based on what Claude has given me, right? So initially at the starting, it gave me the file structure. So I created all the folders and files like this. So I created a static folder, and it's got two files, and a templates folder. It's got all these templates and app.py and models. So what I did is I created similarly static folder and these files, and I copy pasted all code that it had given me, and finally uh, I ran app.py. So then once I ran this, when I go to this localhost 5000, then it actually worked. So it's not a big or great application, but it's a simple application, but there is authentication in it, and there is you can add nodes, delete nodes, and if you want to modify this, you can play around with a few prompts, and then you can maybe make it advanced.